Looks like a perfect place to camp out.
Всем привет, я Андрей. Я продолжаю проходить раньше строительства первого братьев.
We didn't even see any cars.
We're gonna camp here. I'll look out for you.
Oh, look!
Что?
Man, it's so dirty. I see something. What is that?
Посмотрите, осмотреть. Смотреть это когда что-то ищешь. А посмотреть просто взглядом смотреть.
What do you find?
Check it out. There's a chunky Choco Crisp bar on the dashboard.
Yeah, I see it.
You know I love Choco Crisp bars. I haven't had one in a million years.
Yeah, right. More like 2 days ago.
Can we please,
Точно.
please get one when we stop
Please.
next, please?
А какой тебе приз так? Ты даже не смотрел. Приз тебе давай. Ну, хорошо, давай, бери. Не, подожди.
Let's take this one. Nobody's gonna miss one single Choco Crisp bar.
Really? I would.
This is for a good cause. Oh, almost. I got it.
Yes.
Boom. Choco Crisp is ours. Now we have dessert.
Сейчас. Вот.
Come on. Let's beat it.
Пошли. Обсудить.
There must have been a big ass storm.
Ooh, landslide. Doesn't sound
Это неинтересно. Я читаю тут не буду бумаги и все такое. Я сейчас посесу пойду.
Now we can see where we are. Cool. There's a river nearby.
A river? Are we gonna go swimming?
No. Duh. It's way too cold for your skinny butt.
Okay.
Хорошо.
Daniel! Check out this mark on the tree.
What is that? Graffiti?
Not exactly. It's called a trailblaze, and people used to put them up to give directions.
Like GPS?
Yeah, sure. Just slightly more ancient.
Awesome! Let's follow it.
If only Dad was here. Dad showed me how to stop thinking about that. Get over yourself. Come on, Daniel. The sun is going down.
Вот я инвалидом, прикиньте. Твоя мужской и женский. Круто. Сейчас на двоих.
Okay, dude. You have to use the
А
bathroom?
как туда определить?
It smells real
Какой?
bad.
No shit.
Там
Seriously?
картинка
You gotta go
одинаковая.
now.
I don't have to go.
Ну, почти.
Jeez. Can I just pee on a tree?
Дерево. Проверь через безопасности.
As long as you don't mind the poison ivy on your balls.
Well, maybe I'll go. But don't let me get stuck.
Посмотрите на
Call the
лицо.
force powers.
Там своего брата.
So gross. Worse than the ones at school.
Especially after you use it.
I hope nobody gets mad when we took their Choco Crisp.
Да. Да ты собралась на эту точку.
Sean, look how big these trees are.
That's only because they need the sun. Besides, they'll protect us from the rain.
What?
Когда начинались очень серьезно играть по-человечески. Так, сил. Так, где писать? Правый сил. Нет, правый Enter. Вот.
If they don't? What if they attack us?
Aren't you Mr. Minecraft? I thought you loved the forest. I watched you build giant cities out of logs.
I did. I built the biggest cities ever. Ooh. I can use my axe to chop up some wood. Then we can build a secret base.
Well, sounds like you're ready for the woods. Lead the way.
Whoa. That place is huge.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. I don't think Dan will. Man, what are we doing
Where are
out
we
here?
going?
The river must be a bit further. Let's take a look around. I can't tell him the truth now. I just can't.
Почему? Блин. Так. Куда нам идти? Съесть.
Hey, Sean, I found
We
berries.
don't have much.
Can I
This is
taste
better
one,
than nothing.
please?
Not these ones. Come on.
I'm starving. One won't hurt.
Yeah, it could. You better listen to me.
Да. Сиус остался у брата. Он плохого не посылает. Пикник Ария. Ария это дорога,
Man, if I had those
наверное.
bats, we could build a city out of this forest.
Пикник там какой-то намечается. Прикиньте.
Ooh, Sean, let's play hide and seek. Bet you can't find me.
Не сейчас.
No, not right now. We stick together.
Oh, you're no fun.
Not today, I'm not. Sorry.
Whatever.
How am I gonna tell him the truth?
Так, прикол, прикол.
Look,
Ну давай, обсудим.
Picnic and hiking site. Well, I bet nobody comes out here to picnic anymore. Well, that's good for us.
no camping. Uh-oh.
Don't worry. Nobody's gonna find us out here.
do not feed or disturb the animals? What? What kind of animals? Like bears? Or coyotes? Or...
Всякие. Ладно. Не будем пугать его. Хорошо.
More like squirrels, rabbits,
О,
critters.
Рябис. Это я знаю.
Just
Рябис
don't bug
это
them
знаю.
and they won't bug us. They're way more scared of us than we are of them.
unless they're angry or hungry.
Okay, come on. Don't freak yourself out. Let's go.
Блин, я представил, если сказали куда. Я не помню. Я проходил эпизод давно. О, кусочек. Ни хрена себе. Так, подожди.
This looks like a message for Minecraft player. I bet Dad would play with me.
Поиграй со мной. Это он так бесит. Да, уж не спасибо. Я чё, на записываю? Да ладно. Блин. Я сделаю. А куда? Я, если честно, не помню, куда идти. Подожди. Путеводного метра. Мысли.
Dad always knew
Да
exactly where to go.
я так и знаю,
He was a living compass.
что ты для этого здесь. Указатель.
Man, what are we doing out here?
А. Подожди. Пикник пошли сюда, да? Я что-то уже не
I don't know
помню.
he gets mad when something.
Ну, давайте сюда пойдем. А. Я не помню, я не помню, я не помню. Подожди.
Oh, this one was like a Tetris block.
Я соблюдись. Ты понял? Говори,
I bet
что-то
nobody knows what they mean
написано.
anymore.
What does that one say?
It tells us to go straight.
Oh, yeah. I get it.
Ой,
It's a
не
tree
надо.
map.
Daniel, come check this out.
What? What?
Be quiet. He'll take off.
Ooh, raccoon.
you know.
He's so cute.
That raccoon will tear us apart.
Ah,
Let's go,
yeah.
bro.
Here, kitty kitty. Here, kitty kitty. Aww.
А
That
как,
raccoon must be
а как енот-то?
Raccoons are way smarter than us.
Спать,
Find more
какие
food.
звуки он издает? Я не знаю. Но точно не киски.
What if the raccoon came with us? He could be our pet.
Man, raccoons are not a pet. You
Да.
ever see their claws?
Yeah, but this one likes me.
Until you run out of food. Let it go, Daniel.
Я не буду читать эти путеводные ветки, потому что ничего путного нет. Вот.
Oh,
I do not want to get stuck out here. We gotta find a campsite. I do not want to get stuck out here. We gotta find a campsite.
Да.
hey, there's another one here.
Ну, короче, понятно. И учить днем играть. Вот видно. Я вечером играю.
Ooh, Sean, look. I discovered a secret path.
Coming!
Скажи, где он?
I hope the animals out here aren't hungry.
Daniel!
Right away, sir.
Где? Покажи мне. Где ты нашел секретный пункт?
That's one big tree.
Come on. I'll help you climb up.
You better not let me go.
Would I do that to my little brother?
А,
Let's go.
How come nobody is out here? Huh?
It's October. People don't hike as much.
вообще-то ноябрь.
Where are we?
Because we can. We're badass warriors, dude.
Потому что приезжай первой серии там, ты бы будешь, значит, Хэллоуин будет.
Hey, Daniel, you hear that?
Is that a bird's nest?
Oh, yeah. They're everywhere out here.
At least they have a home.
Come on. We're too big for a nest.
Да, в натуре, блин. У них дом есть, вы бешенцы. О,
We're
я-
a good team, aren't we? This is pretty high up. Sean? Can you, help me down? Sean! Come on, Sean! Stop messing around!
Да? А, ну подожди. Ну и где он? Ну ладно, давай.
Come on. I got you.
Phew. Thanks. You see that? Looks like a clicker. Creepy.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Куда мне идти? Не, подожди. А.
I got you!
Dude, you struck out. That did not scare me.
Liar, liar! I saw your face.
That was, surprise. Maybe you scared me for like 1 second.
I got you, I eat you. Don't mess with the zombie. It's too quiet. Ooh. Looks like a cave. Kind of spooky.
No. Actually, it's kind of perfect.
For what?
For us, man.
We're gonna stay in there? I don't know.
Come on, Daniel. Look, this could be our secret base.
We could fight off any skeletons or creepers with some good traps.
Cool. In that case, we definitely need to get a fire going first, right?
Right! Yes!
Yes.
What do we need?
Yes.
Okay. I need you to build a camp to keep out all those creepers and whatever. And I'll take care of finding the wood. Deal?
Yes! I can build traps too. Nothing will get to us.
Awesome, dude.
I know.
Okay. Let's unpack. Finally.
Да, печально.
Oh man, our base is gonna be awesome. Look,
Coming!
Нравится со скибом.
let's see. Here's a good spot.
Так, где бревно? А вот деревяшка.
Now this is
Часть.
perfect.
And wham. I wish I had some red.
Деревяшка.
I could make way better traps.
Nice and dry.
We can't fortify without weapons. What do we have?
Деревяшка. А и где еще?
Uh-huh. We can use this for a spear.
А. Вот еще деревяшка.
That's enough for a toasty fire.
Только ты дерево. А, я смогу во всем веснушкой играть. Че я заморачиваюсь? Вот так я могу играть. Привычку. Можно тут мышку
Now
отключить.
we have a weapon rack in case anyone attacks
Вот,
us.
кострища. Давайте попробуем. Вот, М.
Hey, this isn't too bad. I guess Daniel can chill a little.
Hey, can you give me a hand?
Yeah.
This is the best way to protect the base.
Yo, what are you doing?
Trying to move this branch to protect the base.
Good call. Here, let me take this side.
You got it?
We'll see. Go ahead and push.
Пусть. Пусть это... блин, не успею прочитать. Да все интересно. Учите английский
We did it!
таким
Nothing can
образом.
get in here now.
Damn right. Nice work, Daniel.
Cool. I'll go check the river.
Рима это река. Это я знаю. Все это море. А океан не знаю. Как по-английски океан? Вот, так. Что это? Реальное фото.
Hope they had a better time than us.
gotcha. No, I don't.
Куда мне?
Shoot, he... Oh. Sorry, Mr. Fish.
Блин. Это надо идти к нему.
Like that.
Ой. Клавиатура свис. Иди.
I don't get it. It won't skip.
Чему? Чему научить?
Watch me.
Dude, come on. That's a boulder, not a rock. Here, you need a flat rock. Hold it like this. Look at my hand. Boom.
Okay, I get it. My turn.
Hold it with your thumb and finger. And spin your wrist when you throw.
Надую. Давай.
Almost. What'd I do wrong?
Ну, товарищ,
Not bad.
молодец.
Give it another try.
So close.
Ладно.
Don't worry, man. The current's just too strong here.
Тебя не научат.
Deal?
Ты не способен учиться.
Thinks we're just going on a trip. Can't imagine when he'll find out what really happened.
Man, if I had a wooden axe, we could build a city out of this forest.
Careful. Don't want to wake up covered in ants tomorrow.
Так. Никакие дерева. Вот.
What's that? That's too high to reach. Daniel! Can you see that?
Totally, but what is it?
It's your job to find out. If you want.
Okay, hold on. Whoa, careful, dude.
Come on. What do you see?
Oh, looks like fishing bait.
Well, let's take it. That's a souvenir.
Срань.
We can hook it on your backpack.
Nice.
Вот. Я включил расписание. Ура.
I hope the animals out here aren't hungry.
Теперь вы можете спать. Да, печально.
Check this out, Sean. Whoa. Nice view. You can see so far.
Давай поедем.
No. Come on down. We gotta eat.
Какой неприсутственный братик. Он офигел от этого. Красные кеды у него.
All right, I know. We're cave people now. Time to make fire.
We make fire. Can I help?
Let me take care of this. I have bigger lungs.
Давай.
And a bigger mouth. I can say whatever. I could've.
Печенье.
Wish we had more.
I know. Me too.
I'm ready for dessert.
Go ahead.
Do you want a piece?
Да.
Yeah. For once I do.
I bet. Now I'm the judge, and I say, no Choco Crisp for you.
Okay. Here's you try to get revenge, Judge. Hey, I want a new trial.
Too late. Court closed. So good. I wish we had a cheeseburger and a milkshake like
Вообще какой гадкий братец. Вчера просто.
Yesterday was yesterday. Now that we're out here,
Yesterday
you have to do
вообще
everything yourself.
yesterday. А не
Right.
такое.
Okay. But you'll help me if I need it, right?
That's what I'm here for. And you gotta help me too.
Да. Ну что он ответил? Чё? Через плечо. Он его сестры. А, принцесска, да. Печально.
Man, this is the coolest secret base ever. Nobody's gonna find us.
Man, I made a fire tonight. Dad would be proud.
Look, a full moon. Ooh!
It's not quite full yet, Wolf Boy.
Do you think there are werewolves for real?
Of course there are. But they're no match for us.
How do you know? What if they come here?
Oh! Bring it on!
Sean?
Come on. I'm kidding. We'll be safe here.
Печенье. Проверь.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah. Feels good to sit down. Sean? Are you mad at me for what happened with Brett? I don't remember everything.
Мы с ним подрались.
We got in a fight.
Did you kick his ass?
Yeah. But nobody
Да,
won.
ты борси не
It's not
мог.
like the movies, Daniel.
Замучи его.
Man, I made a fire tonight. Proud.
So tired.
Поспи.
Huh. You look tired. Ready to crash?
I've been ready all day. My feet hurt.
I think we earned some serious rest. I could sleep forever.
Not on this ground.
Better than freezing out there, right?
Way better. Now we have a real fire.
And a secure base. You did awesome today, Daniel.
Really?
Hell yeah. Yeah, you're like a real wilderness expert.
That's cool. Eyes won't stay open, Sean.
Sleep tight, bro.
Sleep. Так. Хорошо.
Dad? Dad, where are we?
Космос.
Daniel? Hey, bro.
А я что-то
Wake up.
можно двигаться
Sean?
во сне.
What happened? Where's Dad?
It's okay. You just had a bad dream. That's all.
Sean? I'm scared. I keep hearing noises.
No, don't be.
Я бы тоже испугался.
Bears.
Я
Wolves.
темноты боюсь.
You fortified our base, so we're safe. And look, our fire's still roaring. Daniel, we'll find a better place tomorrow, okay? And food, too. I promise.
You promise?
Ну, да.
Promise.
Промис это обещание, это я знаю, это... ну, кто-то так учить английский, я вам говорю.
Look, it's easier now. We're going downhill. We just gotta keep walking.
Yeah. You said things were getting better yesterday. And the day before.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm trying my best. Let's walk a little more. There will be a rest stop or something where we can buy food.
А на этом все. Всем удачи и пока.